Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Many people search for easy gluten-free recipes. On the website, I have hundreds of them and they just keep coming. There's one that I really enjoy and it's my Korean beef lettuce wraps. In less than 30 minutes, this flavorful meal is ready to be enjoyed. Inspired by a well-known restaurant chain, this delicious dish is perfect for summer. So let's get cooking. We'll go ahead and make the sauce. In a small bowl, we'll combine hoisin sauce, low-sodium soy sauce, coconut sugar, but if you don't have any on hand, simply use brown sugar, some mirin, which is similar to sake but with a lower alcohol content and more sugar in it, followed by sambal oelek, also known as chili garlic sauce, a tablespoon of minced ginger, a little bit of sesame oil, and then toasted sesame seeds. We'll whisk the ingredients until nicely blended and set aside for now. Next, in a skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add canola oil, and when it starts shimmering, we'll add the diced carrots. We'll saute them for 3 minutes before adding red peppers, also diced. We'll cook the veggies for 2 minutes, stirring constantly. To this, we'll add ground beef and we'll break it into small pieces. I'm using this meat chopper. It works amazingly well. We'll season with freshly ground black pepper and cook the meat halfway because we'll add a few pressed garlic to it and continue cooking until the meat is no longer pink. After this step is done, we'll add the white parts of the green onions and saute them for only 1 minute. When tilting the skillet, we can see there's a lot of fat in the mixture. So what we'll do is to transfer it to a colander to drain it so the wraps are not soggy. Makes sense, right? We'll leave it there for a couple minutes before returning the meat mixture back to the skillet. We'll turn the heat on medium and pour the sauce over. We'll stir to coat and toss to warm it up, about 1 minute. We'll remove from the heat and start assembling our wraps. We'll place a scoop of jasmine rice in the middle of some Boston lettuce, but for a gluten-free version, skip it. I didn't show you how to make the rice because I already did. And to view it, click on the link on the top right corner of your screen. Next, we'll spoon a couple tablespoons, or as much as it can handle, of our meat mixture on top of the jasmine rice. Oh my, they look fabulous! We'll now garnish them with the green parts of the green onions and we're ready to eat. And my friends, these are our Korean beef lettuce wraps. Tasty and so easy to make. This finger food is a real treat. Light and loaded with flavor, it's a healthy meal you can enjoy for lunch or dinner. I hope you give them a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!